Hello, Johnson. Hi, John. Johnson, today we will meet in the evening, right? I have some work. Yeah, of course. We will meet at Diamond Hotel. Well, I actually don't remember the way of Diamond Hotel. We went there for the class meeting last month. I know, but I don't remember. Are you familiar with its location? Of course, it's on my way to work. That's great. So, can I go with you? Sure, we can go together. What time will you go? Let me see. I told you that we will meet at 6 p.m. It's not near here, so we should go earlier. How about 5 p.m.? I think that's good. And usually takes me 45 minutes to get there. Okay, see you then. Johnson, where are you? I'm here. Oh, what's wrong? Are you feeling under the weather? Yeah, John, a little bit. I think because I stayed up late yesterday. I told you many times that you should go to bed earlier. But I have lot of homework that needs to be done. I know you are trying your best, but your health is more important. I know, John. Can you go to university tomorrow? Or I call your teacher to let you be off tomorrow. I think I need to rest today. Okay, don't worry. I'll cook some porridge for you. Thank you, John.